Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Aqua Beads is probably one of the most engaging and creative ways for young boys to express their artistic talents, offering a unique, mess-free crafting experience that transforms simple beads into vibrant, three-dimensional masterpieces with just a spray of water, making it an ideal choice for parents seeking educational and entertaining activities that foster fine motor skills and imaginative play. Number 5. FUNZBO 23005mm Fuse Beads Kit. Unleash your creativity with this complete fuse bead set. It includes thousands of colorful beads, tools, and inspiration to get you started on your crafting journey. This craft activity is designed to fuel imagination and creativity for all ages. Build anything you can envision, from everyday objects to unique designs, and enjoy hours of innovative fun. Perfect for kids aged 5 and up, this kit is great for craft projects or creating decorative items. It's a versatile set that offers enjoyable crafting for everyone. Looking for a gift? This Fuse Beads kit is an excellent choice, arriving in a ready-to-gift package. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to spark joy and creativity. We ensure our product is made from high-quality materials and is safe for use. Your satisfaction is our priority, and our customer service team is here to help you have a fantastic crafting experience. What we like. This set offers a massive quantity of beads in a wide array of colors, perfect for extensive crafting projects. If you're looking for a kit that provides endless creative freedom and a huge variety of design options, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who love to dive deep into their crafts and create elaborate pieces. What people say. A ton of colors and they come organized. Pretty durable and have not broken off at shows. This set kept 4 kids and 3 adults busy for hours. Still have plenty left for hours of fun. The various pegboards are nice and the tweezer tool is very helpful and has held up well. Number 4. Aquabeads Beginner's Carry Case Bead Kit. Discover the magic of Aquabeads, the original water-activated fuse bead craft kit. It's a fun and creative way for kids ages 4 and up to make amazing designs. This complete set includes over 900 beads in 24 vibrant colors, a flip tray, sprayer, and a special bead pen. You'll have everything needed to bring your ideas to life. The new quilted carry case makes it easy to take your creations anywhere and store them neatly. You can even decorate the case to make it uniquely yours. Just choose a template, place beads on the tray, and spray with water. The beads will fuse together, creating your masterpiece. After spraying, flip the tray to transfer your design for drying. Once dry, proudly display your unique beadwork on the included creation base. Aquabeads offers endless possibilities for artistic expression. Create, spray, flip, and watch your designs magically come to life. What we like. This option is designed for on-the-go crafting with its convenient carry case and simple water-activated fusion. If you have young children who enjoy crafting and you need a mess-free, easy-to-use activity, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for travel or for little ones just starting out with beads. What people say. The compartments are a bit small for fingers and my son had a hard time trying to use the pen, but once we got them on they stayed well for over a month so far. My granddaughter loves these, she is 7 and can do them all by herself. Tidy and compact. Creative and a good independent activity. Number 3. XXL Fuse Beads Kit, Melty Beads for Kids Crafts. Introducing the XXL Fuse Beads Kit, a fantastic way for kids to explore their artistic side. This kit provides everything needed for hours of creative fun. With 100 full-sized patterns included, your child can easily create beautiful designs. Simply place the beads over the clear board and watch their imagination come to life. This arts and crafts toy offers endless hours of entertainment. The 22,000 colorful beads encourage creative play, artistic expression, and the development of coordination. Safety is paramount. These 5mm melting beads are crafted from 100% food-grade EVA, ensuring they are non-toxic and completely safe for children. Packaged in a beautiful box, this kit makes an ideal gift for any boy or girl. Surprise your loved ones with a present they'll adore for birthdays or holidays. We are confident you'll love this fuse bead kit. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund, no questions asked. What we like. With a vast number of beads and a large pattern book, this kit ensures hours of creative engagement. If you're seeking a comprehensive set that minimizes the need for additional supplies and offers plenty of inspiration, this is a great pick. It's suitable for kids who enjoy detailed crafting and need a wide range of patterns to follow. What people say. The best part about this product was the bead organizer and variety of vibrant colors. The colors are quite bright and beautiful and give you every color you need. The tweezers were helpful with precision, especially for adults with non-child size hands, but they aren't necessary. I am an elementary school teacher and my students can't get enough of their Melty beads during after-school care. Under supervision, I have had kids as young as 4 years old enjoy them. Melty beads let kids bring their imagination to life. Number 2. Perler Marvel Avengers Fuse Bead Kit. Assemble your favorite Avengers with this exciting Fuse Bead Kit. It's a fantastic way to bring the Marvel Universe to life, one bead at a time. This comprehensive set includes thousands of colorful beads, a pegboard, ironing paper, and a pattern sheet. You'll have everything you need to create 10 amazing designs. Perfect for young fans and Marvel enthusiasts alike, this craft activity sparks creativity. It's a fun and engaging way to spend an afternoon. Team up with Earth's mightiest heroes and recreate iconic Avengers characters. Imagine the epic battles and heroic poses you can craft. Follow the included patterns to easily create your own masterpieces. Once finished, these vibrant creations are perfect for displaying your fandom. While designed for kids aged 6 and up, adult help is needed during the ironing process. Ensure a safe and enjoyable crafting experience for everyone. What we like. This kit brings the excitement of the Avengers to your crafting table, perfect for young fans of the superhero team. If your child is a Marvel enthusiast and loves hands-on activities, this set will be a huge hit. It's ideal for creating specific, themed designs and combining crafting with a passion for superheroes. What people say. My small kiddos have spent more time with this than other Perler bead sets, maybe because they genuinely like the characters. Though they are younger than the suggested age, it is teaching them pattern recognition and fine motor skills. Such a fun craft. Tiny but enjoyable. Comes with pictures of the characters to create. My kids love these Melty beads. Whenever they do them they are super focused until they finish their project. Both my kids love the Avengers movies, so this made a pretty good gift. So far my daughter has made Rocket, Captain Marvel and Nebula, and they all look pretty good. Number 1. Meland Fuse Beads Kit. Discover the Meland Fuse Beads Kit, a vibrant collection of 11,000 beads in 36 dazzling colors. It's everything you need for hours of imaginative crafting fun for kids aged 5 to 12. This comprehensive set comes with 5 pegboards, tweezers, ironing paper, a design booklet, and charming accessories like hooks, keyrings, chains, and ropes. Endless possibilities await your artistic creations. Create your own unique 3D artwork, perfect for decorations and adorable accessories. This activity enhances spatial awareness, fine motor skills, and hand-eye coordination. Turn off the screens and dive into a world of concentration and creativity. It's a fantastic way for kids to play together, share ideas, and develop their own unique designs. Made from premium, kid-safe plastic, these beads melt beautifully without harsh chemical smells. Enjoy long-lasting, vibrant masterpieces with every creation. Looking for an amazing gift for aspiring artists aged 5 and up? This craft beading kit comes in a beautiful gift box, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This set boasts an impressive 36 colors and includes accessories for making unique 3D creations and wearable art. If you're looking for a kit that encourages advanced crafting skills, like creating keychains or bag charms, and offers a broad spectrum of colors, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who want to make personalized gifts or accessories. What people say. It comes with all the tools you could need, plus some little templates in case you need ideas. It's super simple to use and set up, and comes with an insane amount of beads. They come in so many colors, and there are a ton of beads in the set, so you don't run out in the middle of a project. The colors are bright, and they're perfect for making detailed designs. The Meland Fuse Beads kit offers an impressive amount of beads for the price, with a wide variety of bright, vibrant colors that are perfect for kids who enjoy arts and crafts. With 11,000 beads included, this set keeps children engaged for a long time and works well for improving fine motor skills, color recognition, and creativity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.